Hey man, it's Work Recently, aka CEasy. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the lifestyle. Welcome back to another video. So as you guys can tell by the title, I'm freaking excited. We're about to go ahead and pull out literally what I've been waiting for all day. It's the Revenge X Playboy collab. This is like it's really cool because this is like their first actual real collab with a brand, not like a merch team, like an actual legit brand. So I'm just excited for it. We're gonna go ahead and look at each and every single one of the pieces. Fortunately, I don't got enough bread to go ahead and cop the pieces, and I'm actually so annoyed because if you guys do know, they already made an announcement that if this is going to be their last piece or last drop until like they get things situated, they're gonna get a warehouse and just basically make it an overall better experience for the buyers. Ship out things faster, allow us to get our products faster, and essentially they're just trying to elevate. So I'm stop wasting time. Don't want these pieces to go ahead and sell out on me, website to close. So let's go ahead and get it. Smash with that like button. We need 100 likes because y'all know I be on top of all this stuff. And make sure you subscribe if you're new. But let's get it. Alright. So we are in this thing. Laptop right over here. Can't waste no time. It literally just went freaking live, bruh. So let me go ahead, get this full screen recording. Should be up right about now. I'm just refresh it. Fingers crossed things stay the same. Alright. Oh my goodness, a piece already. This bro, it's embroidered again. Oh shoot. Oh my goodness. So as we can see, like I said, the chain is not gonna go ahead and sell out. I'm gonna start at the bottom, but this piece already went ahead and sold out. Let's just go ahead and take a look at it. Bro, when I tell you guys, bro, as this channel freaking grows, I will be doing the 3-step process that I keep talking about. It's gonna be reviewing the merch, reviewing it / buying the merch. I'm gonna review it on body, and then I'm gonna do like a styling. That is the plan. As of right now, I'm gonna be real with you guys. My funds are tight. So essentially, like, I don't really have enough money to go ahead and buy these pieces like I really want to, but trust me, all of the money that I make, like my channel, I'm essentially just gonna reinvest it back into the channel and stuff to create better business related content and fashion related content, of course. So you guys hang tight with the boy. Trust me, I do be wanting so many of these freaking pieces, bro. It's just so freaking annoying that I can't go ahead and get my hands on some of these. So right now, I know I usually don't start off with like the top row, but we're already here. So as we can go ahead and see, we have the black embroidered work jacket. This is embroidered. That is crazy. This is actually crazy. This is a piece I would love to have, bro. And it just hurts me that like some of these pieces I can't even go and get just because the funds ain't right yet. But you know, using know as motivation, that's why I'm just gonna continue bringing y'all the best content I can. But like I said, this piece is just fire. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna start at the bottom. So we got the red. Things just keep selling out. Okay, so we have the red embroidered shorts. This is that red on red. I don't know how I feel about this one, to be honest. I like the shorts. I like the style of the shorts, don't get me wrong, but that red on red contrast, it's not doing it justice in my opinion. So this one's an iffy piece, but they do have more. So this one right here, this is definitely tough. That right embroidered shorts, amazing cop right here. Oh my goodness. Even though it went ahead and sold out, definitely will go ahead and cop that small. I already know how it be. I love them short shorts. Oh my goodness. And they got the black one as well. Fire. So we got the black embroidered shorts. It looks like, is it like a satin material? Sewn satin label. It doesn't say. Made and printed Los Angeles to the size. So double needle, heavy ribbing, high stitch. Oh, it's a 6-ounce lightweight cotton blend. This is nice. Bro, you guys don't realize, bro, I'm gonna be copying so many of these pieces. Thank you guys for putting me on Revenge. Like, I didn't really know much about this brand until you guys put me on, and I really love the job. I love, like, the type of, like, I really like the way that they go about it. Like, whenever I drop, like, my merch, I'm not even calling it merch. Whenever I go ahead and drop, like, my exclusive brand and whatnot, I'm going to go ahead and implement these. Like, the exclusivity, nice, cool designs. It doesn't even have to be too loud, but I will go ahead and have a few loud pieces and whatnot. I like this yellow. Y'all already know how I do with yellow. For some reason, I really just like yellow pieces and whatnot. You know, I'm telling you guys, in the future, I'm going to have an insane Revenge collection. I love the shorts. I love these shorts. The red one, as you can tell, I feel like a lot of people ain't rock with it because it has yet to sell out. And I know, like it's only been up for a few minutes and whatnot. But it's just like, it's red on red. If they would have done like a white, I promise you a lot more people would have went ahead and decided to purchase it. So right now, we got the royal blue skull bunny tee. As we can see, they always go ahead and give you them good prices. This one's a screen printed. It's very simple, nice, cool. As you can see, it's the Revenge with the Playboy bunny logo implemented in it. Playboy logo at the end, and I guess they decided to go with the little skullish drawing, because I think Revenge, I think they really be messing heavy with the skulls and whatnot. So we have the white skull bunny tee. This is a white on white, but it's loud. It looks like it's like a glowing material. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty loud. I really do like that white one for sure. No surprise that it went ahead and sold out. I'm liking these pieces. As you guys can go ahead and tell, I really vibe with Revenge. I really do like them. They're a nice, affordable brand, and they have nice, exclusive pieces. Like, they know how to budget and like price their things. So I know the profit margins are good. So we have the army green skull bunny tee. The color is not my favorite, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, this one is definitely not my favorite, if I'm being real. We got the black skull bunny tee as well. Okay, nice. This is the back, I believe, and we have the front. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm vibing with the pink thing. So the chain, we ain't even gonna look at this, but someone did go ahead and inform me that it's basically like, the reason why they have it at this price is just for like the history behind Revenge and whatnot. I would rather just want to see the Revenge chain, to be honest, with the owner of Revenge. I would much rather just have him rep it, because I mean, you just made a multi, I don't want to say multi, because I don't think this is $1 million brand, but they probably making like hundreds of thousands of dollars off of their brand and whatnot. So I'm just like, just rep the chain, keep the chain and whatnot. Okay, so we have the red Gloria photo tee. So essentially this is just like the Playboy bunny, like, it's history with Playboy. That's where you get this. You got the Revenge tag. At the back is plain. But as we can peep right over here, you got the Playboy bunny on the right as well. So the only thing is that it just says, oh wait, the Revenge is in the corner. Okay, I mean, it's a good collab. The other pieces have been screaming Revenge, so it's good to see that they have something that's screaming Playboy. We got it in black as well. Bro, I'm really messing with these pieces. I want to go ahead and get this one. But you guys already seeing this, based off this row, I would definitely cop 1, 2, 3 shorts. Easy. Now, ooh, I'm really vibing with the freaking pink hoodie. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like, I had peeped it and I'm just like, I don't really have, I be forgetting, they got the crop stuff, man. You got the freaking crop stuff. Oh my goodness. I'm actually so sad I'm not in, but a cop. Yeah, I already know how I love these crop top hoodies. And this is just that cool exclusive drip that I can really mix and matches. I can even throw these on with like some white cargos, get you some, I got so many ideas that I can go ahead and put together with this. Okay, so we have the black multi bunny logo hoodie. It's fire, bro. In my opinion, this is an amazing drop right over here. $88 for a hoodie to me, but this one is not as expensive. Okay, so these three, I don't really know. I gotta go ahead and see. Got the blue embroidered trademark hoodie. So, okay, Revenge. This is regular. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Like, is it embroidered? That's why. That's why. Okay. The three Revenge embroidered. No way the back is embroidered. There's no way. No way. Let me go ahead and see if it's in here. 15 ounce heavy dry fit Frenchie. I do not think the back is embroidered. If the back is embroidered, they next level. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, this one, I'm not gonna lie, it's not my favorite. I'm not gonna lie. I'm being completely honest with you guys. Yeah, that definitely does not. Actually, it could be embroidered. Actually, I think it is. I think, I think the whole thing is embroidered. That's tough. That's next level, bro. That is next level. You can definitely, oh my goodness, that's next level. Oh my goodness, that's next level. No wonder the price is up there. Okay, now, two best pieces. I already went in and take a look at this one, but this one is one that, they sold out quick. Okay. To me, in my opinion, this is a fire piece, bro. Fire piece, and it's nice that it's not like a hoodie, because you can definitely go ahead and lay it with multiple things. But of course, that black one is just like, it's that nice solo drip you can put with everything. So it's time. I'm gonna just go ahead and give you guys, I think top 5. Top 5 is good. If you guys can't guess my top 5 right now, y'all must not been able to get my reaction. But the number 1 piece, I'm gonna have to go with the black embroidered work jacket. Second is the pink embroidered work jacket. 3, I'm gonna have to go with the pink multi-bunny logo hoodie. 4, black multi-bunny logo. And I'm just gonna have to rock with that yellow. Y'all know how I do with yellow, is the yellow embroidered shorts. Embroidered shorts is actually next freaking level. I never even thought about that. Like, I just like their collections. It's not so loud. They're working their way to get good collabs. They have a set amount. They're able to sell out. And on top of that, they're able to keep just a good, nice, like, exclusive vibe and feel with their brand, which I love and which I plan on implementing into, like, the brand that I have with my girlfriend and the brand that I will have for specifically, I guess you could say, like, my channel and whatnot. But overall, guys, I know you guys can grasp my freaking excitement with all of this. It's essentially like, it's next level stuff, bro. And I'm telling you guys, once I get like a check, I'm definitely going to be reinvesting each and every penny back into, like, my content and whatnot, so you guys can be expecting even better content. It's not just going to be the reviews, even though, you know, I know and love the freaking reviews, and you guys stay freaking putting me on with this whole bunch of different brands. So I appreciate you guys for that. Definitely means a lot because I would have not known about this brand. But anyways, guys, man, I got 2 questions for you guys. Let me know if you guys cop something, and if you did cop it, let me know if you're trying to resell it or keep it for personal use, because if I'm being honest, I already know revenge or whatnot, especially this collab itself, you could expect to double your money. Easy. Like, I'm not gonna lie, easy with any one of these pieces, even like the smaller one, the royal blue skull. But if you're able to get any of these nicer embroidered pieces, you can definitely be able to double your money, or at least see like 150% gain at the minimum. But anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, smash the like button. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I'll be on top of this. I need 100 likes. I don't want to hear nothing else. I need 100 likes on this video ASAP. Can we get it within 24 hours? 100 likes on this video. If you're new to the channel, what are you waiting for? You made it to the end, so you need to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, bro. 10K. Let's get it. But anyways, it's your boy Chris Aaliyah, aka CEasy, and I'm out.
I got a lot on my mind. 16 and O and that's 9. I got AK with the scores and 9.